Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out the brand new 2025 Salem Villa 42 DMS Destination Travel Trailer by Forestriver RV. This is a 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom destination trailer here. We're going to take a few minutes here, walk you through the inside, the outside, and show you what this RV is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2025 Salem Villa 42 DMS destination trailer by Forestriver RV. This is the sister or brother product to also the Wildwood destination trailer that Forestriver also makes. They run down the same assembly line, built by the same people, basically just slapping a different name and graphic on it. Now, as you've seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is a 2 bedroom, 2 full bathroom RV here. Very, very cool setup. We are going to actually start back here in the back, and then we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So let's get to the very, very back section back here where the restroom is. So right down here, you are going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet, a step-in shower with a pull-across curtain set up there. Lots of height in this thing for you taller folks. You do have a roof vent and fan up top there, AC duct and heat and stuff in here as well. Now you have an entry-exit door that goes out the back of the RV. You'll see that a little better when we get outside. But it does have that window in it that is Lippert thin shade ready. And then over here, you are going to have some storage underneath of your sink area and kind of a little linen closet area here. Plenty of room to be able to sit down here, use the toilet, get in and out of this bathroom. Very nicely done. Then you're back into your bedroom here. So this bedroom basically has its own little private bath. That's kind of cool. Now over there, you are going to have a window on each side of the bed. They do open. Got end table on each side of the bed, electric outlet, USB charger ports on each side of the bed, and kind of a padded headboard. Now this has the Versa tilt bed on it, so you could actually raise the bed up. There's storage underneath of this section, or you can actually put it up into seat mode, basically. Right over there on the wall is a button you can push to put it into Versa bed mode. It's kind of nice. Just let you sit up a little better and see what's going on when you're watching TV. You have a lot of storage up here. Spinning around here, you're going to have quite a bit more storage. TV area over there, a couple big drawers. Nice little hanging closet area up here. And then down below, they do kind of an open storage down in this section. They are full extending, ball bearing drawer guided drawers, by the way. You are going to have, looks like another electric outlet down there. Sliding door for privacy. Now stepping back out to the living room kitchen area here, this was ordered with the table and chair setup. So there are 2 traditional chairs, and then there's 2 folding chairs. And then you can obviously see the table. Very large windows here overlooking the backside area of the RV. All of those windows do open. The sofa is a trifold sofa. It will flip out and make into a bed. On the slide floor, they're using that kind of woven material, so it's not carpet, it's not lino. You find that material on a lot of pontoon boats and stuff. It's pretty rugged stuff. Over here, you're going to have kind of a pantry area on the right with a couple drawers, electric box with the breakers and fuses. Nice size refrigerator. Going to have that large microwave, and then down below you are going to have a 3-burner gas stovetop with the oven and stuff there. That is a propane system there. Some storage under your sink area. Very beautiful solid surface kitchen countertops here. And it does have that really nice fancy utility style sink there with the sprayer faucet, the little waterfall thingy, cup washer, soap dispenser, all that type of stuff. The window back there also opens. You do have the electric fireplace there, basically a fancy electric space heater. You have some storage on each side of that and a little shelf space up above. TV up here is a smart TV, shameless plug. Currently got the AllaboutRVs YouTube channel up. My channel, all one word, AllaboutRVs. Currently sitting at about 64,900 some odd subscribers. If you are interested in keeping up with more videos, please smash that like button. Remember to subscribe, help out the channel. Much, much appreciated. Over here, you're going to have kind of a little bar top area. It does come with a couple little scoop stools. You're going to have controls right here for your on-demand water heater, your ceiling fan switch, dimmer switch, slide buttons, awning button, water pump, monitor panel, a few things right there. But just kind of stepping back here, looking down the ceiling area, you could see one of the ACs. This one was ordered with 2 ACs. So you do have Coleman ACs. It also has that ceiling fan up there. It has 4 JBL speakers in the ceiling up there. And just kind of looking down right there, you can see the JBL stereo, which controls the indoor and outdoor speakers, and also King Wi-Fi Connect right there. Spinning back around here into the hallway or your main entry area right here. You do have a very nice sliding glass entry exit door here. AC and propane furnace control. And in your main bathroom area right here. Now looking up top, there's another vent fan up there, skylight up above. Again, very nice large ceiling heights here. The glassed in shower. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Again, plenty of room to get in and out of this bathroom and use it. You don't have to feel like you got to kick somebody out of the RV just to take a shower. It's very nice. Going on forward here a little bit more, we are going to have the front bedroom area here. So up here, I have put this bed in Versa mode, so it's basically up. So kind of the same thing as the front area. You got the overhead or the back area. You're gonna have a window on each side, electric outlets, USB charger ports, the padded headboard, storage underneath. You can kind of see this area right here as well. It has a little shelf space under there, but it's up in the seat mode. And then you have your overhead cabinet space there. This again ordered with second AC, so it does have the control in here for that second AC. When the bed is actually raised up, you have all kinds of floor space in here. Little dresser area over there. There's TV hookups over there. You have your own entry exit door going in and out of this bedroom as well. And again, it's Lippert thin shade ready on that one too. And then these are little folding chairs that go out there for the dinette if you need to use them. And you got some closet space here. And some overhead shelf space up there. But what do you guys think of something like this? An actual 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom destination trailer. You think you could set something like this up on the lakeside and be pretty happy chilling with the family on something like this? All right, we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Salem Villa 42 DMS destination trailer here. Starting here on the door side, first things up, we are going to have this one ordered with the optional fiberglass exterior. This is a hung fiberglass wood frame constructed RV. You have standard aluminum exterior, optional fiberglass, depending on your budget and what you prefer. Now you do have a lower black aluminum skirting. You have some vinyl graphics on here as well. In this lower corner right here is hot and cold low point water drains. This one was also ordered with the optional heavy-duty stabilizer jacks. Some people, a lot of people actually, like to block their RVs instead of using these jacks, and they might pull the wheels and stuff off of them and set them up kind of like you would a mobile home. So if you are going to do that, you don't need jacks. So the factory leaves it up to you if you want to actually do that or not. Right down here, you can also see there's a tie down there as well. It's welded into the frame, so you could actually connect something there, stake the RV down. Some places, depending on where you're located, might require that at your campsites. Deep tent safety glass windows here, also the matching deep tent safety glass entry exit door for your bedroom. Now you have the traditional hover style steps here, and these are rated for 300 pounds. They fold back underneath the RV if you are traveling with it. They use these hover style steps because most people build decks on these things and don't want the more expensive more ride or trail air steps that come down and touch the ground, because they're just in the way and they got to be taken off at that point. So if you're going to build a deck, it's a little bit easier to do it this way. You're going to have this very nice large power awning here with the LED light strip built in, manual override in the front arm head, and you also have adjustable arms for tilting. You can obviously see a porch light up there as well. Couple JBL speakers, large folding handle there. Down below, another jack the way this one was ordered, and also with another tie down right there. The on-demand water heater located here, furnace exhausting out here. You have an electric outlet and a cable outlet here as well. And then you have your stove exhaust vent up there also. It is a dual axle unit. Drum brakes, easy loop hubs, steel wheels. Again, another jack back here, and also the tie down back here as well. On around to the back side here, you've seen when we were inside, rear bathroom. So you had the entry exit way for this bathroom. Again, another hover style step right here. You have your cable satellite inlet right here as well. You also have that window again in that door that is Lippert thin shade ready. It's a nice aftermarket shade that you could consider adding in there. Porch light above here. Then just right up top there, you're going to also have on the left side prepping for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's a very nice ladder that'll allow you to telescope up, hook it on, and then climb up and do an inspection on your roof and stuff like that. So very nice thing to consider doing. All right, speaking of the roof, let's actually hop up here real quick and check it out. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick and show you what the roof of the Salem Villa 42 DMS might look like for you. So all the way up in the front, again, this one was ordered with 2 ACs. So you could see the front one all the way up there. Just behind that, you're going to have your skylight. You also have a few plumbing stack vents and a roof vent right there. Coming back, you're going to have your second AC. And just to the right of that is the TV antenna. And then you have a few more plumbing stack vents and another roof vent back here. Now, really the whole point of kind of getting up here was to show you there's a lot of stuff on the roof of an RV, which means there's a lot of holes poked in it. It's very important to get up here from time to time and maintain your seams and your seals and all that type of stuff to make sure your RV doesn't leak and will last you for many years to come. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground again, just real important, do your maintenance, folks. So right down here, you are going to have your area where you would plug in your power cord down here on the frame section. You have your gray and black tank dump area right here also for the rear bathroom. Right here on the side, you also have the black tank flush to clean out that rear bathroom. And just kind of looking down the side here, you can see up top, this has slide out awning covers over top of the slide rooms. Very nice. That helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Just hopefully making your camping a little more comfortable. Now, we talked a little bit ago here about the aluminum exterior. So you can see here, this one over here is a 40F den model that was ordered in the standard aluminum siding. And then you got your fiberglass siding. Also, just kind of mentioning, you can see there what the hover step looks like folded up underneath there. All right, back to this actual camper here. So you have storage underneath of the rear bed. You can see that motor mechanism there that actually brings the mattress and bed frame up and down. Moving up a little further, just in front of this slide, under the front side of this slide, I guess I should say, you're going to have your second black tank flush and also your dumping for the front gray and black tank area right here. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the fiberglass exterior or do you like the look of the aluminum exterior? Over here is the area underneath the front bed. Again, very similar to what was in the back. It does come with these wheel hub covers. Step back here so you can see down the whole side a little better. Right here in the front corner is going to be your city water inlet and your gravity fill freshwater tank area here. Just down below is the freshwater tank dump right there. Now right here is some very important informational stickers. So for example, this is the production date sticker. Tells me this RV was built 1/10 of 25. Model number again 42 DMS. The unit has a gross weight. This is the most you're allowed to load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined when you're driving down the road. No more than 14,000 pounds. It has two 7,000-pound axles on it, it says. Dry weight of the RV, when it rolled off the assembly line with these options, was 12,130 pounds. Has an exterior length of 43 feet 10 inches. Tire size, ST 235 85R 16 F range tires with an 95 PSI cold. So very important, keep up with your tire pressure if you're going to travel. Obviously, if you're going to block it and take the wheels and stuff off, it's not real important at that time, but depends on how you're going to use it, I guess. On around to the front, you are going to have a little bit of an overhang up there, and they kind of rounded off the front section a little bit and put some lights up here. Now when it comes in from the factory, it does have this kind of corrugated plastic board over top of the metal to try to help protect it from, you know, maybe little rocks or dings and stuff when it's in transit. You're going to have two 30-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator, manual tongue jack. Again, they're not expecting you to move it, just take it and park it somewhere, so no reason to spend money on a power jack you won't use. Down below is a battery disconnect, room for a battery to go under here as well. You got heavy duty safety chain, 7-way barbed wire and plug, 2 5/16 hitch ball. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos, guys. You are always greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you don't mind, again, make sure you check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They do have shipping available, or you can pick it up at their store. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.